Step into the lab for a moment. There's some weird stuff going on in here. Every now and then there'll be like a slow news night or something, and somebody gets the wild idea to go swab some public location. Usually it's like a hotel room or a keyboard or a subway pole or something. They take a culture and they let it grow, and then we're all invited to reflect on how gross and dangerous the natural world is. See, that's the wrong lesson here. This isn't gross. This is what goes on all around you all the time. This is what our world is made out of. It's fucking beautiful when you really look. I mean, like anything, you got to understand there's hazards anywhere in the microsphere and the macrosphere. I mean, yeah, sure, some of these little germs can kill you. Something you can't even see can kill you. That freaks out a lot of people, as well it should. But like 99% of the microscopic organisms around you are harmless. Many of them are beneficial. We couldn't live without them. So when there's all this hyped up, kills 99% of germs bullshit, man, that is exactly the wrong lesson to get. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is how the world functions. This is how we operate. This is what's going on all around us all the time in the microsphere. And there's nothing gross about this. This is beautiful. This is a thriving ecosystem, and we are intricately connected all the way down on every scale with these organisms. This is collective life, and we're part of it. In fact, this is what we're made out of. And thank you to Lynn Margulis for pointing out back in the 1960s that we are indeed made up of these smaller organisms. And Lynn, we're going to talk about you a lot. But this idea that we need to be afraid, fearful of the ecosystem in which we live, this is profoundly alienating for us all. And I'm here to do an intervention. So I'm going to be doing a whole series where I look at all of the things all around us and see all of the weird little funky life forms that are in your oatmeal, that are in your kitchen sponge, that are living in the cracks and crevices all around the house, all around our person, in the woods, in the soil, in the water. That's what this series is all about. It's just going to be a bunch of shorts where we get to meet the rest of the ecosystem, the part that you never see unless you spend a lot of time nerding out in front of a microscope like I do. So stay tuned for that, and please join me. The first short is already in the can. It's called Meet Your Oats. And I want to introduce you to the bowl of oatmeal that I got to meet up close and personal recently. It did kind of put me off my feed for a minute, but that's just because I'm vegan. I don't like the idea of boiling to death a bunch of vorticella. So there's your teaser right there, and I hope to see you in the rest of the series. If this is your first introduction, I'm Kat Jones, and this is Science to Get High By.